Hi everyone, as promised in yesterday's live stream, which I'll link at the end of this video, I'm going to do a quick update on natural gas. I'll talk about silver too very quickly, but natural gas we've just gone short and it may or may not be the right decision, but we're below all the moving averages now, below that support level. We've got an order block below near our long position. We took profit on Friday on all our longs up here, and we're looking to get long again now after a gift retracement. Notice that below us we've got a weekend gap starting at roughly 3.35 or 6, and the bottom of the gap's at about 3.13 or 4. But now we've got a weekend gap above us too. Let me zoom in. That's a massive weekend gap we've just had. So we've got a gap above and a below, and there are a couple of other gaps floating around. But I think now that we're in closer proximity to the lower gap, we probably need to fill that one first. So I've gone short. I'll try and reverse at about, well, the bottom of the gap really, in between the order blocks and just above that point of control below there. So really we want to fall into these volume gaps or valleys. You can see to the right hand side here, that one just below, and then the next one in the center of the order block where the gap is. That's what's created that valley. So once we get there, I'll try and bounce out of there for a long. That's the plan. But however, if we bounce up through here and start filling the gap above us, that'll create more complications because we may fill the gap and then go down to fill the bottom gap. I don't know. Let's just hope that we fill the lower gap, then move up to fill the upper gap and then continue. That's kind of the general plan at the moment. Now, if you were trading silver last night, just to update you and watching the live stream as we were talking about this live and in the private group live as well, we did some very fancy footwork here because we're long from very high up. We took our profit on the short trade right from the tops, 2 short trades there. We've taken profit. We got long prematurely on the dip on Friday. I hedged it. I've just unhedged at the bottom here and released the longs. I haven't added a new long position on yet, but I'm now fully long, only to the long side, no hedges. And if we do break up and hold above this 20-period moving average and this cluster up here, I'll look to add some more size because we only have 20% size. So something like that, I don't know why it's in blue, but maybe up to the top there, a little higher, just to clean out that top, back down to retest the breakout and something like that on silver. I think silver's got a very good chance of regaining these all-time highs above 122-ish, around 122, and then continuing. It's going to go slower, not as violent and dramatic before. And as I said in the video, I think this is a reset across all asset classes, including gold, silver, crypto, stock markets. They were all bouncing this morning, as I expected they would, including silver and including the stock markets and maybe cryptos as well. I will link yesterday's live stream video at the end of this one. It's really important that you watch it. It's a good one, and it will give you an idea of what's going on in these markets and how to trade them in this early part of 2026. Have a great trading day. I'll speak to you soon.
Candle sway, get down with the market, trade all day. Wake up, coffee hot, laptops humming, Dow Jones jamming, NASDAQ strumming. I'm riding that trend, watching it climb, snatching them pips in rhythm and rhyme. Mad cross, RSA tight, this funk don't stop, it's a trader's delight. Scalping those ticks, riding that wave, pip by pip, we're digging the grave.
Funky pips, stacking high, moving with the charts, touch the sky. Breakout